When a customer places an order with you, you raise sales order. When you dispatch the goods, you create a delivery note. And finally, you raise a sales invoice to bill the customer. Hi friends, today let us learn about sales order, delivery note and sales invoice. First one, sales order. When a customer calls you and places an order saying, I want this item, so many numbers, within 10 days or whatever the time is. So that time you raise a sales order. Second one, when you deliver the goods or when you dispatch the goods to the customer, you create a delivery note. And finally, you raise a sales invoice to bill the customer. Now let us see the practicals. Let us go to vouchers, press enter. Here the sales, after that small arrow is there, click on that. You can see sales, delivery note and sales order. So sales order is inactive. So we have to activate it. Go back by pressing escape key. Go to alter, press enter, go to voucher type, go to sales order, press enter, come down, here activate this voucher type, make it yes, press enter and press Ctrl A to save this. Come back by pressing escape key. Now go to vouchers, press enter. Now click on this arrow key besides sales. See, now the sales order has been activated. Click on that. See, now the sales order, you can see it here. Now you have to select the customer name. Press spacebar to get the list of the customers. Now select one customer. If you don't have that customer, you can create it by clicking on create. Now I will select one customer from here, Sunil Sales. Press enter. You can enter all the details according to your business. Terms of payment, reference and dispatch through, destination, everything you can enter it. Now I am keeping it blank. Come down. Here Sunil Sales details. Address, if you have, you can enter it or you can leave it blank. If you enter it here, it will appear in the sales order. Press enter. Now order number is here. It's appearing automatically. If you want other sales order number, you can enter it here. Otherwise, press enter. Here you select sales account. Here you have to select name of the item, what the customer is order. Press spacebar to get the list of the item. I'll select pen drive. Press enter. Here the due on, when you are going to send, after 3 days, after 10 days, after 5 days, whatever it is, you can enter it according to your business. I'll enter 10 days and go down. If you press spacebar, it will get the list. So from showroom, I'll select, press enter. Quantity pen drive, I'll select 12 and I'll select 300. press enter, press enter, press enter, and here let it be as it is. Press enter, come down, press enter to accept this. Now the sales order has been saved. Now come back by pressing escape key. Now go to display more reports, press enter, go to statement of inventory, go to sales order outstanding, stock item, press enter, and you select pen drive. See, this is the pending order you have. You have to dispatch it. When you see this list, you will see what all the items pending to dispatch. Press escape, come back. Now go to ledger and go to Sunil Sales. See, this is the pending order to Sunil Sales. You can see any report from this option. Come back by pressing escape key. Now let us see one more report. Go to display more reports, press enter, go to inventory books, press enter, go to sales orders book, press enter. Here you will get month-wise detail of orders for whom we have placed the sales orders. Press enter which month you want to see. On that month you can keep the cursor and press enter. Now we have only one sales order, so we'll press it. See, we will see the date of the sales order, the customer name, and the order number and order amount. If you want to see still detail, press enter. It will open the sales order itself. Up to here we can see. Come back by pressing escape key. See, here we have only one sales order, so it is showing only one. If you have more than one, it will give all the list, and at the end it will give the total sales order amount. Come back by pressing escape key. Now let us activate the delivery note before we start entering it. Go to alter, press enter, go to voucher type, press enter, go to delivery note, press enter, come down. Here activate this voucher type, make it yes, and press Ctrl A to accept this. Press escape, come back, go to vouchers, press enter. Here click on the arrow besides sales. See, here delivery note has been activated. Now click on this. See here, now it has been changed to delivery note. Here you have to select customer name. We will select Sunil Sales. Press enter, and here you select order 1. Press enter, and here if you have all the details you can enter it. If you enter these details, here it will appear in the dispatch note. Press enter, press enter, and here the customer detail. Whatever you enter here, it will appear in the dispatch note. Here you select sales account. See, it's automatically appearing. It is taking the data from the sales order. Press enter, Here you select the order number 1, the same. If you want to make change of the godowns, you can make it, or you can keep it as it is. Come down, you keep it as it is. Come down and press accept to save this. Now the delivery note has been saved. Come back by pressing escape key. Now go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to statement of inventory. Press enter. Now you can see the sales bills pending. Press enter. Here it shows clearly that here you can read it. Goods delivered but bills not made. That means you have dispatched the goods but you have not raised the sales invoice, that is GST sales invoice. It is very clear. Sometimes in the business it happens. Dispatch the goods but bill has not been raised. This is very helpful for any business. Come back by pressing escape key. Now we will go to vouchers. Press enter. Now we will enter sales invoice. Click on the sales or press F8. Now it has been changed to sales. Now you select Sunil sales. Press enter. Select delivery note number 1. Press enter. Press enter. Dispatch document number. If you have, you can enter it. Dispatch through, what is the transport name or vehicle name, whatever it is, you can enter it according to your business. And press enter. And here also you can change it according to the recent updates. Press enter. If you enter it here, it will appear in the invoice. Press enter and select sales account here. Come down. See, it is automatically appeared here. It is taking the details from the delivery note. Press enter. Press enter. Enter. Keep it as it is. Come down and now CGST we will enter. See, automatically it appears. And SGST. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. And new reference we will select. Press enter. Press enter to accept this. Now come back by pressing escape key. This is how we can enter sales order, delivery note and sales invoice. This is whole sales cycle. Now your challenge is to open Tally in your system and create sales order, delivery note and sales invoice according to your business items. Friends, now if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe this channel and share it with your friends who is learning Tally. And if you have any questions, doubts, please drop it in the comment. I'll see each and every one. And let us meet in the next video with great informations. Thank you so much.